happy Halloween or happy Vlog-O-Ween. I did a purple glitter glam, can you tell? It's one of those Marc Jacobs, I don't remember what they're called, sequin eyeshadow things. I love them. I will link this one down below. I don't know what it's called. But I got my candy corn nails, I have on my Halloween dress and my cat ears, and we're ready to go, even though we're not going anywhere. First and foremost, I want to apologize because Vlogtober kind of fell apart. You know, I'm just not meant for the daily vlogging life. I'm happy I got 2 videos out of it, but this is the 3rd. So today is actually October 31st, Halloween. It's a mess in here as usual. We're working on our pumpkins back there. But yeah, I just thought I would vlog the day. We're not doing a whole lot, but I do plan on having like a good Halloween day. It's almost 1 o'clock, so I took my time getting ready this morning. I've been working on my pumpkin, picking up, putting away laundry. We're having a little party tonight, which it's not really a party, it's just like my siblings and my best friend. But I'm gonna make some cute treats for that. I wanna make cookies, sugar cookies, and decorate those. I do have a video I wanna edit and hopefully get up, my October favorites, which will have gone up right before this. You'll have seen it by then. But I'm not gonna put a huge priority on that because it is Halloween and I wanna have fun. But yeah, Bradley's at work right now. He's working on Bold and the Beautiful. Today I get a lot of questions and comments about if you see him, like, did I just see Bradley on Bold and the Beautiful or Young and the Restless? And yes, you did. He does like featured extra work on both of those. And he has for a couple years. More than a couple years. So that's where he is today. So he should be off relatively soon. Let me show you my pumpkin. So this year I have decided to do the mayor from Nightmare Before Christmas. I messed up a little bit. There's some black that I'm covering up currently, but here's the one side. I am happy to say that I came up with this idea all on my own. I didn't use Pinterest. I've been using this doll that I have to base the face off of. And I was gonna try to make a hat for him, but this stem like kind of looks like his hat. So I think I'm just going to paint that black and then make like a little circular thing out of paper. But this side is pretty much almost done. This side was, I mean, it was easy, but also like not easy because drawing lines with paint is really hard. And then I still need to work on the back side, which I have it drawn out a little bit. So here is that. So yeah, I need to be working on that today. And then Bradley is doing something I'm actually not very familiar with, but they're Nintendo characters named Banjo and Kazooie. He's gonna try to be really bold like last year and use butternut squash like on for the nose, which I don't know if that's gonna work out. But here's, I think this is Banjo and this is Kazooie. So yeah, super fun. We love painting pumpkins. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to do next. I think I'm gonna finish picking, like I have a couple more things of laundry to put away in the bedroom. I wanna make the bed. I just wanna pick up what I can because it feels, as always, just like full of crap in here. I don't know what happens. Just gonna pick up. But yeah, we will vlog all day today. This is my costume. I don't have a costume, I'm boring. But I do have my candy corn nails. I do these every year. They make me happy. They're like an elevated French manicure and I just think it's so fun. So yeah. I just got a package, I heard it. Bradley's home now and finishing up his pumpkin.
I think I'm done.
He's done? Well, you haven't assembled.
No, I have to assemble, but I think I'm done.
I just finished mine and it looks pretty bitchin', I'm not even gonna lie. So here's my mayor evil side. Happy side. Pretty pumped about it. So yeah, I've been running around. It's almost 4 o'clock now. I got my video edited, it's uploading, it's almost done. Now I'm gonna make cookies. I wanted to get my pumpkin finished so I could take photos in the daylight. And then I want to assemble all the party food. So let's do that. Alright, cookies are done and cooling. I'm about to make cutie pumpkins. I'm cutting up celery. I'll show you how I do it. Basically, you peel it, and then you just stick this in it, and it looks like a little pumpkin, and it's super cute. We got Beetlejuice on. Let me pause it. I'm gonna show you Bradley's finished pumpkins. I didn't get a chance to get him installing the things, but it worked out. Are you pleased, babe?
Yeah.
Who are these people?
Banjo and Kazooie.
And what are they? Nintendo characters?
Yep.
From what game?
Banjo and Kazooie.
Oh, cute.
Does that look exactly like what I just made?
Incredibly identical.
Are you mocking me or?
No, it looks good.
Okay, good.
So yeah, all of our pumpkins are done. Now we just gotta get all the food ready, and then the Halloween festivities can begin. We're gonna bob for apples.
Are we? In the bathtub?
Ew, no. My sister just got here.
This is adorable.
Thank you
oh my
so
God.
much. So we have the whole spread. We have cookies. We have tortilla chips.
Spread. I got your fave.
And spinach dip. We have kettle corn, popcorn, crap, cheese and crackers. Which Katie just brought more crackers because I sent Bradley to the store to get crackers and he brought Triscuits.
He's
I don't
75.
understand. The pumpkin oatmeal chocolate chunk cookies from Trader Joe's. The cutie things. Ooh, we need a bag for candy. I meant a bowl, not a bag. And then this. Oh, my carrots look a little dry now.
I mean, it's a carrot. What are they supposed to look like?
You guys, we came to a house in my hometown, Santa Clarita, and it is the greatest Halloween decorations I've ever seen. They have animatronics of Jack and Zero. And look at this fountain. I feel like I can't even concentrate. This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. Oogie Boogie's up there singing. This Jack fully moves. Like, the fountain fully works. Dr. Finkelstein. My best friend Jordan is here with us as well.
Hey girl.
All these pumpkins. They have the, whatever you call that. And then they have frickin' lock, shock, and barrel. Like, are you kidding me? I am completely shocked. I'm speechless. I'll never be able to top this, ever. It's amazing. I want to, like, knock on their door and congratulate them for being the greatest people alive. And that sums up all the vlog footage I got on Halloween. I'm sorry I didn't finish out the night or get more of, like, the actual party. I'm using air quotes, but you can't see it. But yeah, I just put down the camera and was having a good time. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog anyway. Thank you for sticking around for Vlogtober/Vlog-O-Ween. I know it wasn't perfect, but I had fun doing it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you soon with some more vlogs from Disney World if you're interested. But yeah, I'll see you soon with regular videos as well. But love you guys. Okay, bye!